I welcome all of you on the platform of YourPedia Education, and there is another good news for the students of Telangana, especially civil engineers. As I told you earlier also, like Telangana state is going for election next year, and many seats are expected within 1 year for government jobs. So this particular advertisement now is for overseer job. Overseer is someone who is sort of supervisor, and it is junior engineer job, JE job, and diploma as well as degree students are eligible for this particular job profile. Detailed notification will be provided to you attached with this particular video, and lot of seats are there. As you can see, 175 number of seats are there in town planning building. So the department is town planning building, that is a post as junior engineer, you can say, overseer. Another point of worth noting is the age. So age is 18 years to 44 years. So those of you who are in some private sector jobs and they want to shift over to government sector job, for them also it is a good opportunity. And online application date, last date of submission is 13th of October, 13 October. So still you have month for that. So those of you who are interested for government jobs, graduate diploma students, they can think of applying. Details of vacancies, every your caste wise or community wise as per your category, that is mentioned in annexer, that is also attached here. You can see that also. Exam will be objective type and it will be in the month of January, just before gate exam. So those who are BTech students and trying to make the balance, they should know this. And another exam of Telangana is Telangana Assistant Executive Engineer. That exam also you are preparing. So those are the things you have to parallelly prepare. These are the things which should go parallelly. And education qualification, as I was telling you, you should be must have diploma in civil engineering, you should have, and or it can be this from State Board of Technical Education, you should have these diplomas. And it can be in architecture, you can have degree or diploma in architect or civil engineer, or it can be in planning, it can be BTech in planning if it is there in some of the universities. So this is the qualification actually which you should target. So the most important information is when the form, you have to last date of the forms, how many number of seats are there and who is eligible. That is something which is very, very important. And though they make people eligible from other states also eligible, but these are great opportunities for the students of Telangana. So this is the best time, next 3 months is the best time for preparation and getting into the government jobs. And this kind of movement comes only once in 5 years when the elections are due. That is what we have observed, that the trend in many states, that trend is there. I'll ask you to start preparing religiously for these kind of exams. Preparation and the syllabus also for this town planning, the syllabus is different. YourPedia is obviously going to pull these kind of all modules in its offline centers which are there in Hyderabad now. So you can seek the advantage and benefit of that. And once you get offline, you get the online also, that is the same thing will be provided to you. So you can go through the syllabus they have mentioned. There are 2 papers, and the paper will be in a non-technical domain and your field of specialization domain. So these 2 papers you can go through, and this is the detailed description of your categories and all. Yes, now this is what I wanted to discuss. So there will be 2 paper, objective type both, general studies, general ability, or concerned subject, they call it intermediate vocational standard subject. So duration and this both are equal, that is another thing, and there are so many components which you have to prepare. So many of the students believe that it is only a focus on Telangana, but there are other things also, other points also. So Telangana's geography, economy, polity, and other things also related to Telangana, you have to prepare that also, and related to the things which are nation wise also you have to prepare. And concerned subject also is there, intermediate vocational subjects they are calling, so that is also there, and we need to prepare this also. So that's entire syllabus, mentors of YourPedia will be covering that for you, so you can seek these all details further. If you have queries related to this, you can seek fill the form and seek the details from our mentors. So this again very big opportunity for civil engineers or planning or architect students, and exam is going to be in January, so very less time left. Start preparing so that you can convert it. All the very best, and we'll keep on providing more information related to these kind of syllabus domains, how it is to be prepared. Thank you.